Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Heidi from House of Heidi Miami. I do fashion hauls, styling videos, and lifestyle vlogs. And since we are in summer, I figured why not do a video illustrating how to pack light, because honestly, traveling is very stressful, and when you have to worry about what you're taking, what kind of outfits you're going to be wearing, it just adds a level of stress that I feel is counterproductive to a relaxing vacation. So I'm going to be showing you a method that I find very helpful. The 5-4-3-2-1 method, and as you can see, there's not a lot of clothing here. I'm going to go over each piece and why I chose it, and then after that I'm going to show you a quick little lookbook just showing you how I styled the pieces. And of course, if anything is still available from here, I will link it in the description box. But before we do that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get right to it. Before I get into showing you the pieces, I wanted to explain what this 5-4-3-2-1 method is. And starting with my tops, I have 5 tops, 4 bottoms, 3 essentials, which I will be explaining in a minute, 2 shoes, and 1 accessory, in this case, a bag. And that is the simplest way of approaching your suitcase. It kind of forces you to simplify your packing method. Obviously, this doesn't include like undergarments, bras, and underwear, but that takes very small amount of space in your suitcase. This is basically just the outfits that you're going to be wearing from day to night on a daily basis. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, let me get into the actual items that I chose for my trip. Okay, so for my first top, I decided to go with this very unconventional sleeveless bodysuit. And the reason why I chose this is because this is the type of bodysuit that I can really dress up or dress down. I can wear this in the nighttime with black linen trousers and kind of dress it up, wear maybe a red lipstick, just kind of tweak a couple of things here and there to dress it up, maybe change up the jewelry. But I can also wear this during the day with shorts and a little ponytail and really dress it down. But you can choose a regular tank top such as this. This one is from Zara. I almost chose this one, but because I'm trying to maximize my use of the items that I'm taking in my suitcase, I decided to go with an item that was a little bit more versatile, that I can easily go from day to night. But you can choose a cute little tank top like this that is perfect. You can wear with shorts, with pants, with skirts, whatever you choose to have as your bottoms. So that's the first one. The second item I chose is a t-shirt. Now, truthfully, I am not a t-shirt kind of a girl. I really am not. I don't really own too many t-shirts. I think I have 2. One that is from Cezanne that is very beautiful. I almost went with that. And this one from Balmain. And the only reason why I chose this one is because, again, I think that this is the kind of t-shirt that I can easily dress up in the nighttime, maybe go out to dinner somewhere, and I can also just wear this during the day with cute shorts and sandals, and it's just fine. These buttons on the side really kind of give me an option to dress it up a little, and so for that reason I chose this t-shirt. Next top, I had to go with a beautiful silk top, because if you know me, I love my silk tops, especially in the summer. They're easy to wear because, you know, it gets really hot. This is a fabric that you won't really feel too much on your skin. It won't make you hot. And the best part is it's super thin and easy to pack. This takes minimal space in your luggage. Such a great piece to add. And I also just love, again, the versatility of silk, because silk is something that I can wear during the day and during the night, which is why I chose a neutral color, because I think that this is a color that I can easily dress up or dress down. You can never go wrong with neutrals. Next up, I chose a linen top because, again, this is a fabric that I personally love to wear during the summer. To me, it's synonymous to summer. I love linen. This one's from H&M. I just recently purchased it. It's such an easy piece to style, and for that reason, I made this video. To include a little cardigan, because when you travel, sometimes you're indoors and there's a lot of air conditioning, it gets cold. Even like in the airport, it's always good to take a little cardigan. I took this beautiful red one because this actually matches really nice with a lot of the things that I have here, and it's not like a super warm cardigan. It's more like a knit, if anything, and it's very beautiful. I think this would very much dress up any outfit, maybe a simple outfit. If I just throw this on, it would definitely kind of dress it up. That's the last piece of my tops. I have my bottoms, and I went with a very simple pair of shorts from H&M that I've had for probably 2 years now, and I actually really love these shorts because these shorts are the perfect length. And the reason why I say that is because this is the type of shorts that I can wear during the day with sandals, but I can also dress up for the nighttime, and they're super comfortable. I think they're the perfect length. They're not too long, not too short to where it would be inappropriate to wear in a restaurant. So for that reason, I chose these. Next, I chose this beautiful skirt from DKNY, which I know I always talk about this skirt. This has been like my favorite skirt this year, but it's just because, again, it's very versatile. And for the purposes of this video, I immediately thought about this skirt because this is a skirt that I can pair up with a lot of the items that I have here. Beautiful skirt, very easy to travel. It's satin, it's thin, it doesn't take too much space in my suitcase. And again, it's just a very versatile piece. Next, I chose a pair of linen black trousers, and again, another piece that is very, very easy to pack, doesn't take too much space, and very easy to style. It's just a very basic piece. I think that for this method of me trying to take less in my suitcase, this is a perfect item because I can just really wear this during the day or during the night. So now the last piece for my bottoms, I chose kind of a different piece as opposed to just a bottom, because for me a dress is an absolute must on any vacation. If I could take all dresses here, I would, because they're super easy. You can wear them again and again. It's a one and done deal, not much thinking involved, and super comfortable, especially for the summer. So I went with this beautiful dress, which I have been loving. I recently showed this in a haul, I believe, in one of my vlogs. But what a purchase. I mean, the fabric on this is super thin, breezy, airy, easy to pack. It kind of has a little bit of like a crinkle on the fabric, so I wouldn't have to worry about ironing it too much. And the best part is I can wear this out and about, and I can also double it up as a cover up. So for me, this is a piece that was essential for this video. I think this dress is still available in H&M. Love this dress. Okay, so next category is 3 specialty items or 3 essential items. Starting with a dress. I was trying to figure out a way to incorporate a pajama or a nightgown into this video, but one that can double up. This is a slip that I can wear to sleep, easily wash because it's a washable silk, and wear it out. So for me, this was a no-brainer, and that's one of the reasons why I like this brand so much, because they have a lot of items that you could wear in your house to go to sleep, but you could also wear out. And so, no-brainer. I could easily wear this in the nighttime, dress it up, even pair it up with this little cardigan, and it would look beautiful in the nighttime, but I can go to sleep in it. So this for me is an essential. A pajama, of course, is a must. You need a pajama if you're traveling. Next, I have these 2 pieces together. As you can see, I have a one-piece bathing suit, and I have this beautiful cover-up. I really wanted to take an additional cover-up. I did mention that you could wear this as a cover-up, but this is really an actual cover-up for the beach or for the pool, and it's very beautiful. I love how it doesn't really show too much. So if I'm at a resort, I could easily just go from the beach, sit down and eat by the beach. So it's a beautiful sort of like cover-up dress. Of course, for vacation, this is an essential. So these are my 3 pieces that I chose for my specialty items. Now let's talk shoes. This is a category that I struggled with big time, because shoes are probably the one that gets people the most when you're trying to pack less. Because, I mean, let's face it, especially as a woman, you can take so many different shoes. There's heels, different color heels, different size heels, sneakers, sandals, platforms. I mean, a long list of shoes. So I really struggled, and it was between sneakers and sandals, but I decided to go with just a very, very basic flat sandals from Steve Madden. These are my brown ones. I love these sandals because these sandals I can wear during the day to walk around. They're super, super comfortable. They don't bother my feet. I can walk for hours in them. And I can also potentially wear them to the pool or to the beach. So for this type of video where I'm really just trying to pack less and sticking to this actual method, I had to pick the sandals. And then I needed a heel, but I needed a heel that was neutral, not too fancy, not too dressy. One that, again, I could kind of tweak according to where I'm going. And so I went with these Dolce Vitas, which are just basic nude sandals. I've had these forever. I wear them every single year, every summer, because they're just easy to wear and they're also very good to walk in. So again, I really struggled with this category. I almost picked sneakers, but then sneakers would leave me no choice in the nighttime if I wanted to dress up just a little bit, maybe wear the slip dress or this dress. So I went with these. The last category is an accessory, which again was difficult for me because I love my bags. There's so many bags you can take on a vacation. But again, for the purpose of this video and following the method, sticking to the rules, I just went with a very simple Coach bag. It's a leather bag. I think this is perfect because it's the perfect size to travel in. It does come with another strap that I can wear as a crossbody, but I can also wear it this way. This is the way I usually wear it because I just like how feminine it looks. I could wear this out with this dress, and white is a color that kind of goes with pretty much everything. So for me, this is a perfect bag because not only does it fit all my essentials, it's not too big and it's not too small. So now it's time to get into the lookbook. I just wanted to really illustrate how I style the pieces and how you can actually make this method work. It is difficult, it's not easy, but it's doable. So let's get right to it. I hope that this was informative and entertaining. Honestly, I feel like we just put so much pressure on ourselves, me included. Honestly, if I could take my entire closet every time I travel, I would, but it's not feasible, and it just creates more chaos when you're traveling. It kind of reminds me of the 333 challenge that I did a couple of months ago here on my channel, which is basically just how you approach your wardrobe and your outfits throughout the week. I think these kind of methods are great because they may take a little bit of time when you're trying to choose the pieces. They're kind of tedious, but then once you're on your vacation, it's super easy because you would have to choose just from what you have here. So it just makes it easier. You'd be surprised how when you have more, it kind of makes everything more complicated. That's part of the reason why sometimes it's hard to pick an outfit. It's because you have a closet full of clothes and it becomes a little bit confusing. So when you have less, it's just easier to pick out an outfit. It's just less fussing around when it comes to your outfit, and it helps you enjoy your vacation. So let me know in the comments down below if you like this video, and also I would love to hear if this is a method you think you could use on your vacation. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see everyone next time. Bye.